Hey guys, how to share screen on Microsoft Teams and still see participants. So make sure to join using the Meet button, right? And join any meeting. And inside the meeting, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit share right here. And you're gonna see a pop-up window, share screen, window, or tab. So we're gonna hit this option. And you have three options. You can share Brave tab, window, or entire screen. So I'm gonna go ahead to the window. And I'm gonna click, instead of downloading photos, I'm gonna just click the Meet, right? And I'm gonna hit share right here. Now, inside the sharing or inside the Meet sharing right here, I'm gonna just go ahead and still see the people by just clicking right here, people, right? And you're gonna see the participants inside still while sharing your screen. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.